Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add the DirecTV app on the Roku, then this video is for you. You can stream with the DirecTV app on the most Roku devices, even if you are a DirecTV satellite customer. So, what you will need: high-speed Wi-Fi, active DirecTV account, active Roku account, Roku remote or Roku mobile app, then Roku TV is upgraded to software version 9.4 plus. So make sure you have the latest version available on your device. Now add DirecTV with a Roku remote. First select home, then streaming channels, then DirecTV, then add channel. If prompted, you just need to enter your Roku pin. Or you can use a smartphone or tablet as a remote. Make sure your device is compatible with the Roku mobile app and DirecTV. Connect your device and Roku player to the same Wi-Fi network. Download and open the Roku mobile app. Find your Roku TV or player and pair it with your device. That's how you can just easily add the DirecTV app on your Roku device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.